Something really bad happened here. In May 1993, a 19-year-old man was driving through the Four Corners to his fiancée's funeral when suddenly he couldn't breathe. He was healthy. He was a marathon runner. He stopped at a local gas station and he called for help. He collapses before the ambulance arrives because he can't breathe. In the emergency room, fluid had filled into his lungs, and within minutes of arriving, he's not alive anymore. New Mexico office of the medical investigator was contacted. The investigator was shocked because a few weeks earlier, another young woman nearby had also passed away in the same manner, previously healthy, and then suddenly she had trouble breathing, collapsed, and then it was over. At autopsy for both patients, doctors noticed that there was nothing wrong with their lungs. They just suddenly filled with fluid, and then their lives were over. But why did that 19-year-old man's fiancée pass away? She was only 21 and also a marathon runner, and she had the same illness where she suddenly couldn't breathe, and it was over. During her autopsy, a different doctor was present. He recalled a recent consultation that he was a part of involving two more young, previously healthy adults who collapsed after suddenly not being able to breathe and then passed away. Both of those patients also had the same unexplained illness. New Mexico Department of Health sent a letter to Arizona, Colorado, and Utah, and they received responses that multiple cases of occult illness had happened all around the border at the Four Corners. CDC was asked for help. Autopsy samples were studied, and they saw something that they had never seen before. Health officials went to the homes of the deceased, and they found rodents in and nearby the buildings. They collected them, tested them, and found that these rodents had the same pathogen genetic material that these patients did at autopsy, meaning something was passed on. When they were able to grow it, they discovered a virus. It was a then previously undescribed strain of Hantavirus. This is the first time that Hantavirus was formally described in the Western Hemisphere. Hantavirus is a family of viruses. The name is derived from the Hantan River in Korea, where it was rediscovered in modern times. The ones found in Asia typically cause kidney failure in humans, and the ones found in the Americas cause cardiopulmonary failure. This is the same illness that was found in the 2026 cruise ship outbreak of Hantavirus, although that Hantavirus is the Andes virus, which can spread from human to human. The Sinombre virus found here at the Four Corners in 1993 transmits through inhaled airborne particles of small animal excrement. And we discovered this because in 1993, there was way more rain than normal. Why? It's because a volcano erupted in the Philippines in 1991, and it put so much sulfur dioxide into the air that when it blew over to the United States, it caused the Mississippi River to flood, and it caused the Four Corners to grow more vegetation, which led to 10 times more rodents than normal. Sinombre virus had always been here, it's just that these events aligned for us to be able to observe it and then understand it through connecting ideas.